Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, RPM Roadstar. Today we're diving into the 2025 Toyota Crown, a luxury sedan that blends style, power, and cutting-edge technology. Toyota has redefined what a premium sedan should be, and the new Crown is here to impress. At first glance, the 2025 Toyota Crown commands attention with its bold and futuristic design. The front grille is sleek yet aggressive, flanked by sharp LED headlights that give it a striking presence. The body is sculpted with smooth lines, ensuring a dynamic and aerodynamic profile. The alloy wheels, available in multiple sizes, further enhance its premium appeal. Toyota has gone all out with the color options for the Crown, offering shades that highlight its elegant yet sporty character. The roofline slopes gently, giving it a coupé-like silhouette while maintaining the practicality of a four-door sedan. The rear features stylish LED taillights connected by a light bar, making the Crown look just as impressive from the back. Step inside and you're greeted with a luxurious and high-tech cabin. Premium leather upholstery, soft touch materials, and ambient lighting create an upscale atmosphere. The dashboard is dominated by a massive touchscreen infotainment system, seamlessly integrated with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Toyota's latest software ensures a smooth and user-friendly experience. The digital instrument cluster provides crisp, customizable displays, giving the driver full control over navigation, safety features, and performance settings. Heated and ventilated seats offer ultimate comfort, while the panoramic sunroof adds an airy, open feel to the interior. Rear passengers also enjoy plenty of legroom thanks to Toyota's smart cabin design. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota Crown offers multiple powertrain options. The base model features a 2.5-liter hybrid system delivering a balance of power and efficiency. For those craving more performance, Toyota also offers a turbocharged 2.4-liter hybrid with an all-wheel drive setup, producing impressive horsepower and torque figures. The hybrid system is designed to maximize fuel efficiency without compromising on performance. Toyota has fine-tuned the suspension for a smooth yet engaging drive, making the Crown equally suited for city commutes and highway cruising. The steering is precise, and the overall ride quality is refined, ensuring a premium driving experience. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Toyota Crown. It comes equipped with Toyota Safety Sense, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. Advanced driver assistance systems provide an extra layer of security, making the Crown one of the safest sedans in its class. Toyota has also introduced a new parking assist feature that makes tight parking spaces easier to navigate. The 360-degree camera system offers a clear view of the surroundings, ensuring you can maneuver with confidence. With these safety innovations, the Crown is not just luxurious but also incredibly secure. One of the most exciting aspects of the 2025 Toyota Crown is its advanced technology. The infotainment system supports over-the-air updates, ensuring you always have the latest features. The premium sound system delivers an immersive audio experience, making every drive enjoyable. Toyota has also integrated smart voice commands, allowing you to control navigation, climate settings, and even some driving modes with simple voice instructions. Wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and a seamless smartphone integration system make the Crown a tech-savvy choice for modern drivers. When it comes to efficiency, the hybrid powertrain shines. The base hybrid model is expected to deliver excellent fuel economy, making it a great option for those who want luxury without frequent stops at the pump. The more powerful turbocharged hybrid offers a blend of efficiency and performance, appealing to those who love spirited driving.